Hey guys, welcome back to Yalan App. For today's video, we're going to show you how to sign up for Adidas affiliate program. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now for you to sign up to Adidas affiliate program, what we need to do is we need to go to their official website, which is going to be adidas.com. Now just to give you some information here, the affiliate program for Adidas would actually depend on your current country. Now for US citizens or people in the US or who are accessing the US website for Adidas, which is /US, you should be able to see the affiliate program. But in this case, in some countries like Australia, you won't be able to access the affiliate program. But in this case, if you do have access, what you need to do is in their main website here, go to the very bottom. You should be able to see the footer here. Look for the option for company info. Click on affiliates. Now, in this case, it should load up the affiliate program page here, which in this case, you should be able to see different information about the affiliate program itself. Now, if you want to start applying for it, just click on the apply now button or link here. And once you click on it, it should redirect you to another page. But in this case, what you need to do is you need to read the agreement for it, which in this case, it might load slow here. So in this case, you just need to click on sign up and you should be able to read the Adidas contract terms here. So in this case, you can go ahead and wait for it to load up here, but once it actually loads up and you were able to read the Adidas contract terms here, just click on accept if you accept that contract. And from here on, you just need to sign up and fill out some details. Now in this case, it's going to actually use the impact program here for you to actually sign up or basically join the affiliate program for Adidas. Now, if you already have an Impact account, you can go and click on sign in with Impact here. But if not, you could either sign up with your email or your Apple, Facebook, Google, Twitter, or LinkedIn account for you to join the platform itself. But yeah, so once you've signed in, you just need to provide some details about yourself, like some verification and even ways on how do you actually start using the affiliate program itself. Like if you have a website, an app that you want to promote Adidas on. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yalan App. Thank you for watching.